Load up your Tacoma with a heavy camper, tow a trailer, or fill the bed. And watch the rear end squat. Your headlights aim at the sky, and handling gets sketchy fast. Airbag suspension fixes all of that. It's one of the smartest upgrades you can make for under $500. 4 kits right here, links in the description. Let's break it down. Starting at number 4 with RETRUE, a direct replacement for the Firestone Airide kit at a lower price point. 5,000 pound load leveling capacity, adjustable from 5 to 100 pounds per square inch. The build goes a step further than most budget kits by eliminating all plastic connectors, rubber and steel only, which means fewer failure points over time. All holes are pre-drilled, so no drilling is needed during install. Kit includes airbags, brackets, tubing, inflation valves, and a full owner's manual. At number 3, Air Lift LoadLifter 5000, and the 70-plus years of engineering behind this brand shows in the details. Upper and lower roll plates protect the air springs from sharp edges on the leaf spring pack, a failure point most competitors simply don't address. 2-ply fabric reinforcement, ultra-high-strength nylon end caps that are as strong as steel, but corrosion-proof and lighter. Torture tested to 1 million cycles. 5,000 pound capacity, no frame drilling, fully adjustable. Limited lifetime warranty, plus a 60-day ride satisfaction guarantee. Number 2. maXpeedingrods. The rubber quality here is a genuine differentiator. Multi-ply construction with 4.5 to 5 millimeter walls, thicker than what most competitors ship. ST12 steel end caps reinforce structural integrity at the top and bottom of each bag, and the mounting brackets use Dacromat anti-rust coating for long-term corrosion resistance. 5,000 pound capacity, 5 to 100 pounds per square inch adjustment. Note that for 2-wheel drive models, including pre-runner, this kit only works when the axle sits below the leaf spring. Verify your setup before ordering. And the top spot goes to Firestone Airide, the benchmark kit that every other option on this list is built to compete with. Specifically designed for the Tacoma down to the mounting hardware. So there's no guessing about fitment. No drilling required, everything ships in the box. And the air springs are built using the same commercial-grade engineering Firestone has been refining for decades. Prevents sag, keeps headlights level, eliminates trailer sway. If you want the proven, trusted choice with zero compromises, Firestone is it. 4 airbag kits for your Toyota Tacoma. From a budget-friendly, no-plastic build to the industry benchmark Firestone with decades of proof behind it. Squat, sway, and rear sag, all fixable in an afternoon. All the links are in the video description. Check your drivetrain and axle configuration before ordering. If this helped, subscribe. More Tacoma content is on the way.